Oh, there we go. Oh, let's see. Just this way. Hello, YouTube Garage. This is Charles again. Haven't did a video in a while. Well, haven't done it on my truck, but I think I'm gonna work on my truck Thursday, maybe. I think. Yeah, I'm gonna work on my truck Thursday. Do some painting. Like I got some frame paint. I'm gonna use to paint, do some more painting on the frames. So I'm gonna show pictures of video of that, and that's about all I did. That bed cover, I got that all done, and I got it sprayed with clear, but I haven't color sanded above my truck yet. Haven't felt like doing it yet, so I haven't done it. And what else I've been doing? Flying my airplane some more. I did that. Rode my bike, and that's about all I've been doing. Just felt like doing a video right now, so I guess I just talk to y'all later. I was gonna ask. Oh yeah, I still gonna be painting 5 trucks. It looks like I might be painting a car too. A person car from work. So, I guess I'll talk to y'all later.